Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, I will show you the two different ways to access the review history. The first way is before starting the review. So, after logging in, searching for the client's name, and finding the client, please come over to the three dots on the right-hand side and click on Review History. Once you see this page, it is displaying all the previous reviews, the date range of the review, the scores, and then if you click into the previous review, you will be able to see the summary comments if any were left. The second way to see the review history is while you are performing the review. So if you are currently performing the review and want to look back at the previous comments, the previous discussion that the bookkeeper and controller had, you can come right here to the Review History button, click on that, and it will bring up all the previous reviews, date completed, the scores that were received, and then if you click into the review there, you'll also be able to see the summary comments or query comments that were left previously. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll be notified of any new videos. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.